Life's great, no complaints. How are you?
Good. Life is good. Back at work.
Back at work.
What's up, man? How are you?
What's happening, man? How you
How's
doing?
the summer?
Oh, well,
Yeah?
man.
Good to see you guys.
You okay? Love you.
Let's start strong. Let's start with aggressive. Yeah. Let's go. Man's up 2, 1, 2, 3.
Execute defensively, execute offensively. Get the next best shot, get a stop.
Smart takes it away from Embiid. 3-on-1, Tatum all the way to the rack.
Defensively, we're doing a great job, all right? Keep talking to each other.
Get through. Switch it.
Then we became the more aggressive team. Now they're the more aggressive team again. Flip the switch.
Harden using the Embiid screen. There's the roll, the finish, and the foul.
Stay aggressive offensively. Be a little smarter defensively. Show our hands. We got to have multiple efforts.
It was knocked away. Beautiful play by Walker. 2-on-1 LeBron. Hold on, here he comes. Dropping a sledgehammer.
You can just go ahead and go. As soon as he open up, yeah, just take off, yeah. Hey!
Wiseman got it for Poole. What a pass. Jordan Poole. And in stride, Wiseman takes it home.
Good job. Great job.